5 unspoken rules your cat expects you to follow, and number 1 will totally surprise you. Rule number 5, do not move when I'm sleeping on you. If I choose you as my personal bed, you stay frozen, even if your leg goes numb. Rule number 4, whatever you're eating, I must smell it first, even if it smells weird and I won't eat it. Rule number 3, bathroom privacy does not exist. If you go in there, I'm coming with you. It's simply non-negotiable. Rule number 2, if I meow, you respond immediately. Not after a minute, not after you finish what you're doing, right now. And before number 1, like and subscribe if cats make you smile, and comment a heart if you love kittens. Rule number 1, my food bowl must stay at least 70% full. If I can see the bottom of the bowl even a little, I will act like I haven't eaten in days.